Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add video to your 3dcart store. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in 3dcart, and here you want to click add when you are in your editor. More, and then just click here components and click on this big bug bunny. Now what you want to do is really simple. You just click on the video and you're gonna see this button, the source. And I just copied the Joe Rogan Experience podcast, and I will just click on it and paste the video. And automatically it will change. And this is how you can simply add video to 3dcart. There's nothing to be afraid of, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, and you get there by launch page editor and from your homepage. Have a great day and goodbye.